Hello dear, welcome back. Now for this time we are going to install Pan OS Python as you will know. One more thing, you have already almost done to install all package related to Azure or any Linux server. For my side, I will use Ubuntu. Okay, let's see. You know when the Linux node has internet connection to install some package and now pen test uh, ping 808.8.8. Okay, we're applying from the cookie side. Okay, successful internet connection already established. Next step, to install the sub package for PanOS, we must use two commands for PanOS Python, and another one is a collection or module tag, or to make configuration and operational tests on Palo Alto Network next generation files. I want to recommend to check this side also. This side also. Okay, this command. This command, and beside I want to show you another page. You can easily link to start in Google. Wait a few seconds. And bmp install and python and pan was okay. You can refer so many websites to install, and if you don't find the commands by heart. Now start to install bmp package. First sudo pip install pan package. Wait a few seconds. Okay, next pip3 install pan os python. Okay, no error. Okay, final stack, and we will install pan os package. Okay. Copy this command, paste. After that, we will use this command also to collect Ansible classy. This is the final stack. Oh, it's already installed. Okay, don't worry, no problem. Okay, I think now you understand how to install pan module package. Why needed for Ansible? No. Thanks, guys. Take care all. See you.